Come on, so I'm saying, Kahun is over for Malta Guinness. No, it's very important. Every time, everywhere, every day, every activity, and as an event, Biano or Malta Guinness. And I'm saying, I shall so dear farm when it's proudly made in Ghana. And to say, ye can no, and our bottle no, when you say over fat and now the dijuma. Now, can was a vitamin B, so I am and the Bribia will no Malta Guinness no. Now we know how den so kukra. Quick reminders, Nana Abre Funyami Adma, a China ne memenda ne question and mame a radiaton suffering into a year and she and your company crabia kama or takra de banchase into Messard of 484 national for Ubeka fans of Nana Abre for Momianko Tanechi or takra de banchase a China ne memenda and a year question na yem na onko kata ne mame it's so important and exercise get to akra but radimana they need strength on any new man any new mema nyina na ebusuafo nyina no montimen go through this trying moments. On the brighter side of life, if you are celebrating your birthday today, it's a happy birthday sonko ana enko enfamao se udi wa oda and ya wada se udi wa oda. Happy birthday, Sunkona, make us and come on. Ambassador Charles Esioko Oredu, Osai Member of Parliament for Ebrem constituency. Eti. Wabeka is someone say, former ambassador to South Africa under the government of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, or a potential foreign affairs minister, because it was no foreign affairs, no a deputy.
Oh my!
He said, "Yeah, you nyamia Ghana no. The memburu na moba tutu mo nyoma yie no. Na moba hwe mo ni yie no. Na moba demonstrate leadership qualities no.
Oh my!
I henchen beti ma be show. Nti Esioko margin.
Yeja.
Esioko, I'm trying to get the real meaning. Esioko, but I'll come to that. Also, is Boko.
Adom. Ndra, oh, Adom. Ndra na if you constituency by. Say Tuesday na Mpensenpensenmu ni DC na opa no Tuesday na yako confirm me.
Jubwa me confirm.
Oh, waden. Me akra me kasa me campaign man. Ntonya 100%. And before no me na me no maka me to aba man. Nti ona na it very really good, you know. Ahemfuni na Nana Abrem hene one atrankonya mpenyimfo wo district ni na eba kama MPP for in NDC ina kan ho bom emonya 100% sa na hwehwe nti honorable Hakim Utrinkwa sana meka wo program na se no media me ba se nyina ba be yedwuma bom me won kran ya me hwehwe mra no me lobby for project no na be wa se ho na project ne ba wahweso na ya ye adwuma nti enka ehumbom impuntu de nim political party tumemufo no na so mo benefit from yemienu nti no ono so no ndra ende kra wa frame o damase boa me de boa ya confirm no nti ono so ahye me bo se o de ntuma be kamede ho na eja ya ye adwuma abom
Ragbasi nitu
amani
na wa start adwuma
for opportunity we
before that channel once I be the chairman one who can say outside areas I'm doing them no and that's all o make us say unyi no o sa kwenda
oh my hene
what start adwuma
saying
o mi busa say
oh nyame adum yaguso
di wa hyase
enye hyase
ya inaugurate mu.
Now we are high problem opposition.
Obi possible. Obi adwene no home.
O mine board no. Board no anya bibi me kan say permanent o.
Say na no dem ti ase the fanko board yi. Wo ho abe 4 months ni ya to for say emergency bi aba. Bra mo be to
it is a start ejuma.
So after inauguration at least to promote share with you back could be former course.
Now what is a question what start ejuma.
As you said money every day work. Oh okay.
Okay, same time
so it's not every day work I know.
No. You know I understand what the board means because me aspect of education and corporate governance. It has here, and you know, a bit mama says subcommittee be more. Oh, you chair Michia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, our able Vice President, Chief of Staff, the indefatigable, the strategist, Jules Zebra, and Michia Chief Nunkasa, Dr. Kalisus Mahama.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, Michia this
Kalisus is going to the President, Executive Secretary.
Executive Secretary, yeah.
Former local government boss.
Yes. Very dynamic.
Another place in an to be there too.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I said that we are assistant.
Michiano na me dan ase. What I say.
Michiano does it is that or mama appointment.
It is between him and myself. So me dance. Yeah, appointment.
No, yeah, out here. I'm expecting this is an appointment.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Bibi ade eboko.
Good.
Na me fa ofide we so ade asida kese ama honorable Siokom. This is a type of leadership at whichever level we find ourselves at. It's just a year exhibiting. What is your kind now?
So I call for 100%.
Ah, yeah, 100%. Me constituency, me district, me MP say the people should vote with their conscience. They vote again.
Hey.
You heard what the honorable member said this year?
A new party.
No. From which region?
Of free Eastern region. No, NDC the
Stronghold, okay?
Yeah.
He went and spoke on behalf of the president, and the nominee had 100%.
But also, World Bank, no.
What say? The assemblymen or whoever they are should vote with their conscience. When the president have nominated somebody. Honorable, say, at the end of the day, no, the better Ghana agenda, we setting Ghana on the issue. You understand me? There are good news all over the places. Petrol eba form, dollar eba form, but other factors lead to obin to be control here and Nura. $9 I think it's just taking mega crack. I mean, whilst you're in government, you are performing magic. Sometimes if you want to near diarrhea. Wow,
my uncle friend was here. Sika odi pa na expectation say
Debi
eti akọ
Debi odi
obokaba
okosi sampo a obi anje
na so obokaba
o yi fini dem na okosi sampo a obi anje na me ko jina me ko boka kutawa die obokaba obi ka chem say 2 months ago okoto dan estate dan ni bi na say $135,000 na ko twen a na ko service ka bebre nsi Debi Upronudo, Abampaba, Tumbo, Eba down,
Abampaba,
Abelande. Quality leadership. What can you?
The Ghana we all want.
Abelande. Na me bompa say,
so let's hope and pray say the gains na yenya.
It is not about hoping and praying. It is about our attitude. Yes, Umay. Let me just cite an example and say, Uko South Africa, which have been a regular visitor, Uko South Africa, at the airport, the maximum you are supposed to exchange into their currency is $10,000. And you must do that once. Fakupe. Ukwa, Jaisi Kamae, the only bank Fako. Do you get it? But in Ghana, you come baby, I could do a home dollar rate.
The dollar rate?
No. Dollar. That should not be it.
But I buy here a juma in dollar. Rent for a few rand.
I buy juma in dollar.
Mut yaka, mo yes a dollar.
We negotiate to contract. And
I'm saying.
I can't trust our
patron. A buying commodore drona, what did you know, and engine man on the sika. If you are for doing a war or sue cantonments and that's for you know, or my holding in Egina, I'm on any quotation.
Now, what someone will go to you?
No one, no one, yeah.
Now, me, yeah, you won't be a woman, the Nipa. You see, I'm on corner project, Ukogia, exchange rate, I catch a 12 point something, about 8. I feel they don't catch him so Ukwana by about 8. Ma will pay that on Mutumu, about 8, no money, my calculate, but there'll be an exchange rate equivalent, as into no,
it's the equivalent to the CD.
Now, who talk car, now so car, maybe I say $60,000. That was our 4 months ago. And then they got $60,000 a year. For. What did I say? They be fine. We should talk $60,000. My dear, too. My exchange rate, $1. My equivalent in 10 AI 12 point something. I want to do we start to know kick say, hey, you come by. Waba.
It gains way sustainable.
And you know so what that for business or dollar or them gravel or print
or print or yeah no.
Onye num. Actually, umba num mo pre dollar no. And you dollar kwon. On pounds.
O hwehwe ba kakaka.
On euro. Sifa. Me say due to the quality leadership of the president.
Mobile
Nankale Adom.
It is all just about body and there. Na me dane chance in the say eh. Na mobile so na
dane na me hwe na chance no ngu. Dane chance.
Okay, ni hwe ngu. Dubai say eh. Mo modern boy sika se mo eso ni papa. Hey, mo modern boy e kon kan o sika se no.
Ampaso.
In fact, bibia na me kon say sika se no.
Ampaso.
Na mobile mo modern boy so galam say mo ejin se mo kura.
Baby.
Ho dia bind that.
Baby. No. Enti jinsem adentia. Ye wo ha. The chief executive of Mineral Commission, Ekache Minu say, police station, the chief wa ye two galansi, esa, Kohonekon and say two galansi no. Ye wo ha, and they will probably a fair say over thousands of inhabitants. The first accuracy.
Moko forest moko.
Now,
drop in the ocean.
It's just a matter of time.
Oh, we need time.
Once a dollar national also graduating ever from Kakakakra. Also a petrol so ever from Kakakakra. Galanse so sa kakra.
We share it from.
Eba. Oh, what our galanse as a match. Kasa be on top Congo.
Action.
And I am Kofi Amabua.
On Kasapi. Action
oriented.
Then the hell comes my dear Chihuahua Jinsemo.
Said they
illegal money.
And the make catch say it's a matter of time. Kakra.
Do we need time?
The real team will step in. Say now who your operation now. You study the environment. It takes you a time.
So the MPP time they broso.
Now 8 years per the other. Even 2 years because say brush too much.
Susukasa na fi no ba ben.
They be 2 years to fight that crime is too much.
A tourist game.
Of course, we will face it. We are ready for it. That is why Ghanaian voted for us. Don't joke if a gentleman of the land called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or so obey. So I catch you say 2026. Saka Eda energy wenu over 60 billion. Also obey you.
What can't you obey?
On kasa kwa o.
JMA.
To new money, what about me?
JMA.
Oh, a new way, just a second national anthem.
Oka obey. Eba me try not to.
Oh, now we said they were Kenya. Me catch us obey.
I see.
Or see, 16 ministers.
Yeah.
She say 56.
I can't 9.
56.
They
on the 56 now operating. All shiny.
And 9 account they will over.
Oh, over speed. What did I say? Me and me TMP before on my hini chemi kwanya on my
baby.
Chemi.
But so won't mean deny so money.
There be a kind of my susu na ya omo stronghold. no mo yes akwan no asphalted very thick
wako framante wako wa ukuruma
frama ehipa
the whole OT and then voter kwan bi any
they be see you see some of us are too smart for this game. Me started game when 1985 as a kid. Saturday humpe. Under John Dramani Mahama, even under the late President Mills, may so rest in peace. Who can say you want road this a friend Gidisu BMW as me buy. That was the beginning of the Eastern Corridor journey. So under John Dramani Mahama 2024 or 2014. You started lay asphalt. Eastern Corridor. Every Asikuma Junction, Papeki, Ecofo, Yenye, there be a have Eco Taffy. What you say? Or mobile, no, mobile auditing
of the roads.
Of the road. And you and I, as we sit here today, no, so I report in into Munja road, no sana road, no potoy. And a mom say a young woman.
So yeah, quiet.
Yeah, they be tt. I think I was say intentionally. Why just I be say. Now I feel the worst uncle Pascal so uka any a quiet is from the scratch. And yet they will painting you no. And yet they will painting ye can't acquire my from the scratch. Acquire from the scratch. I mean him no. Uko background among others on the just from the scratch. Oh yes, you go dia left and right. There you can come on. Unam so na wakata we now driving. Nib na ye peno. Apart from that, everyone is
no be na mobile no. Mobile bi.
Yeah, starting here dada. Yes, you baby. Mobile. Governors Abuja very effective. Or from where you ma.
Inspection.
Now who contract is what you mean?
Inspection ko dey say ko Kumasi a amoakwata asenso. Ubura moto we a amoakwata asenso. Okura honma amoakwata asenso.
Former chairman NDC Dr. Ofosuampofo. That was the beginning of the journey of the reconstruction of the motorway. I know what I'm talking about.
No, it's not true.
If we say Ghana kwan no move free so no say if most
repatching of a road so a kwan we boost off.
Oh there so patch kwan there na
every government in this history of
no that one there was clarity in terms of classification
and I mean
repatching regraveling and all those things.
That's portals that's what I'm saying almost my team America be sure. There was a road in Accra here that was constructed in 2018-19. Now road no order that. You can never tell me say from Legon, Goel to UPSC to ARS. No, that. If not, that school called Accra Technical College, na can exist, na can present exist. So you cannot tell that you constructed that road.
There be a
maintenance in the fourth dispensation of our beloved country. No, no, it's not true.
Now, far a Kumasi out of from.
I ain't found a method you.
Too far. Oh, wow.
But pretty
yeah. Not
school Royal Academy.
What Kumasi Kazano?
Because school Royal Academy of Kumasi, only Royal Academy. That's all they would super.
Royal Academy?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
But for Konongo, I was a
1971. I'm a Royal Academy.
Diversions about Konongo Kwanasu, or a Moyi Kwanatu. What was on?
Diversion about a Twasso.
It's a mobile Twasso.
There be a mobile Twasso.
There be sad diversions there. What Daruma?
President Kufo, every cycle.
And
President Kufo, every cycle. na oko ye buy ne beto aso
obi so abeto aso
enkase in the fourth dispensation of our beloved country we na why kwanche obi we ye
then if we are disputing their figures are no problem but in terms of acquiring
there be adjective or say in the fourth dispensation of our beloved country omu no moye kwanche obi
and na me say so also wonji omu figures ni ntuma me ni uni echi
and your figure you still not getting me
acquiring ahodo
almost the fourth dispensation
acquiring ahodo omaye no aburo bi ade so
Atanos Mahama Akufo-Addo omu na moye juma che bia in terms of roads
no problem
which is not true you know that
it's subject to debate
the big debate now we so trick that we let's just say way so we cover
yeah amazon is the mo we mo anya foku e ba kwa
man so mo ye foku narration mo ye no o ma twisting too much say in the fourth dispensation no
8 million credits so mo no my kwan pa
tell bia
okay
and the one who runs in massive
okay amazon
amahene
no me question
am Adom maybe so oh we need to
we a formidable opposition
very formidable very formidable
suggesting what government should
do very formidable say we need to say party no you two main structure now your parliament and a party like say from headquarters almost no more now saying per the Professor Makokwe report no
national report na Mpensenpensenmu public no
oh send it there for public for national council enti omuwie no
executive summary may read the Monday
mat ye na betio enti omuwie no na ehia
so the executive summary is talking about say
oh so be reading the Monday it also na say ni abehia sankombe thank you to into presidential candidate na odi party nanim 2024 elections Dr. Baumia on the party chairman and general secretary and impending for aka at some of the regions kwako eda ase se na wa onim se oko contest bia udin kugo udin kunima ese se omo a okosi omo na so a osre omo se omo nto aba ema no se okọ na odi omo na ase ekomo omo nti no na omai I think saka be 2 regions be eastern ni one other region because me say me oba me constituency asa me ko akensi no me konkrofo bebre na so me ko communities me konkrokro bebre ahemfo nti ebehia say obekọ round na eja odi omo na ase akomomo na wa hye omo bo say na tibia no yemfa ndase ema nyame. From that angle, I think the party is energizing base, you know, because baby on Bekobiano, in coffee already, some baby share team, no. Parliament, and so in the Senate, we need to mighty minority. You may be a fatase, your boy home led by your leader, Honorable Afenyo Marken. Your choruses, and Adom on the 27th, Speaker Samuel Sembra back. Na yembetua ejuma so ntia na sese yehwe se yebekọ na yakotua so na insama me nwe ekekan ide omahene se wa weni tua se ukase wokokumase na ufafom ufa soro a bebi obakudu bia no ubohu se MPP aye bibi wo because ofafom a Accra Kumasi road na so massive major road almost constructed. Same contractor no so na Accra motorway road. Tema motorway road no. Massive. We share Tema motorway no cry. I think 5 lanes. From both sides. Accra airport Tema 5 lanes, Tema airback 5 lanes. Into here so ma be so betua so. Sane ye hwehwe ko governance there se no bia ka no. Entua so continuum. Obi hyase a oba na wa betua so. But they never discredit Abaya washase we put in the mechanisms a contractor na shase or site or ye juma. She pokwase she ejuma ye wo. After pokwase she construction koso. So o flying so ka se obi am person do we ni behu nti no ba ko fu plane. O ko si Kumasi International Airport, wa airport. O ma hene me de so oni me chin Africa ha. O ba West Africa. Me hu airport mpo a national airport in West Africa. Ebiti Kumasi International Airport. Kosero Leon kohe. Liberia these a lot of these African countries West Africa we even want say on be say Kumasi International Airport national airport because of the kind of investment ewo inti eba roads ne dia baby you go north baby the first interchange anka nye nanado dankwa Akufo-Addo Adarom anka Tamale kranko mu interchange da the first interchange ene ewo baby interchanges baby oh
Omahini, respectfully.
Kasano.
Minimum.
Kasano. Me the respect now.
I'm sorry.
Mamen kasa. Enti eba ekwan dia. Omahini eba ekwan dia and then there's no doubt. Na Omahini insem bebre okan. The ordinary Ghanaian or Otifie timimfo a omo hyen e TV so. Omo no munim asetena omo tim. Omo no munim se inde okodwa so okoto bode kra untiminto omo no munim se electricity bo ya tum by a certain percentage omo no munim se insio ya sa tum by a certain percentage omo no mo feel the pinch of the so-called reset agenda, the so-called papebia moye no. People are feeling it. Electricity bill because they are tum over 14%. Insio ayanum insio ayen kwa ayanum so ya sa tum by 4%. 4.6 or 4.4%. And then you expect the ordinary person to sit down and say mo ya de. Sanye ma mienu we and no ena me ka ninde achen say. Sa dollar no o ka se eba fom no. O ma dollar ba fom a ye na ye benya ho faso. Ada na dollar ba fom ye nya ho faso. But now, all question I'll be saying is, is this sustainable?
The gains.
Gains, is sustainable. As we speak now, there are major payments to be made. Okay, somewhere in February, all the quasi government agencies, so Musika, I want my country now, those payments would have to be paid back. Say, Sikana Muk J free, all the quasi government agencies you have to pay that money back. You are yet to pay. Contractors are yet you are yet to pay. So to Omoka mabe ya pass budget appropriation district assemblies ministries near there you have to pay them. Appointees bebrebe amafa more office of the president they have to be paid. They have to be paid.
But some more appointees.
Maminka se me wi na wa
bebrebe.
Omahene ebiom
appointees bebrebe.
Omahene ebiom o share the international global structure na. Obi enim nenti a dollar no devalue as the appreciate because say no kan no o say ayo South Africa. Omahene wa so nim South Africa danger Mpensenpensenmu Adaroma makoye juma o kakada until still we have contact. There's no South Africa rand no and so I appreciate it. Uko Nigeria every country in the world the currency no appreciate against the US dollar. Bisa won say adenti and a country be sika appreciate apejanimu against the US dollar. Because of Trump nyama oye no.
Deliberate policy.
Deliberate because Trump pay a lot of manufacturing and production in America. That's what is happening. Now it's a dollar, so there's a dollar, coffee, obia catch code. Every currency in the world catch code. But say China, trade wars here, nanka omu start some way. Say agree say betena sena kanobia ye jumani ade no. Enche bia no, ubohu say sidi no beshase na honden beshase se esote na se sidi no krapo se na omo ka no omo de ayejeje ho omo se yembo omo se no se sidi na pagya ni mu den kodwem kohwe ko abuso kan kohwe se prices kraka ko abuso kan kohwe se uko se okoto spare parts ayate so ana kono kohwe the ordinary Ghanaian ne de nyema ohun nyema oto ene na oka ho asem ayen na eba be gina ka chen so kwa buso kan ya tinyama so le wanyama no ebo no sa nete obi ante hwe so mo bia iti benefits na o tna o keka se o timumufo nsa be kan ya obi ansa enka benefit bia ekuafo ebre because nyama omode beko omufom omunya seedlings ebo kosoro fertilizer bibia bo kosoro and they are complaining. People are complaining. Omo operating salons omo botre and hairdressing near there because of electricity bill nintino omo timintua say so doom so everywhere obeko kakra near doom like kakra near doom like kakra doom like and people are complaining. Teaming youth omo di NDC echire ekoto abama NDC say omo chen say asa de na make na turn asum nti na wa di
mantia agwese be na bisa
asa make na turn asum o ma hene turn asum nti na otie no
agwese mantia be na bisa
o ma hene
Majetum.
o ma hene
youth
o ma hene youth o ma hene youth omo di NDC echire NDC promise me juma any ade omo buy then o ma yama youth no say so omo register any ade na 400 500 600 Ghana yes na send etiom send e pese etiom
adwumero
sika send e de mo
na say mo point patrol train
aniti na make say o ma imite o
I say okay say their opportunity they've given them something different from modern and modern buy na exit point in NAPCO.
Where different from NAPCO?
But I'm saying that
NAPCO was for graduates.
But there are options. Momo de the VH in a quiet sembibri.
Oh, then in Sembibri.
Which of the graduates?
Why? Oh, Omahene. Why had a lot of model? Why no more? Juma bebre. She's bebre. Why? Omo person mo ye juma ye support omo. Omo person mo ye oh bebre. Omo person mo ye friends community policing.
What to train now?
Omo person oh
mani we na se me na say
mami kasa. Uwie so under the
oh, see, more options, baby.
Options, omo person community police. Yeah, omo person me nursing assistant. Oh, mami, me obekasa.
Oka why
Omo, of course.
The last hold on, baby. Yes, in Pajaba. Agbasi we didn't tell you. The last one, me na me MC e wo techi man. With Kofi
Japan.
Where mason, carpenters, plumbers, one of me train this and items na any plumber we are we are na pedi am
me constitution
the first time I do YH
you see when you are questioning subjecting somebody to here who be say and your man ben now I witnessed it because I was just baby
I don't know who
2012 2016 why are you in China?
That's not what we are talking about. No. And then I have the floor now. Okay. And it's the same.
We cannot say that. The models didn't start under this government of why. The models, they've been there.
But me and a meme come some. And to do so, and also
what meme can say, I witness it.
Eh, you bebre o mahene. Ya boy, you tini bebre. But then, ain't enough. Because still, no, a lot of the youth out there, no, have opportunities. And unti, and high. Say in creating jobs no o sa pamon kola so mun ko tenefie pe sa letter
in creating jobs no
in creating jobs o Robbie Peter to pay Paul
how
na oba o take over Adom FM na o say okay me a new way into oma hin ko tenefie lawyer mun ko tenefie
for reasons that were stated that ebinimu wo ho no ma one oman go through the due process. Ebinimu also your friend baby or your friend ebinimu also who your probationer.
Oh my no credit. Oh, no credit. Oh my and then what they are failing to recognize ne say some colleague wo pamo mako tinefie no omo kwa befa omo party friends omo befa omo electoral commission ID card no omo dey ato omo mpa omo train the next election. That's what they are forgetting. Because they say, no, Omano, Edjane, Ebebomo. Bebre, no so how much Omirenum, Omusho Momba, Musho Mama, Musho Bushia for. Now say, sir, support and uncle more with the mass say Bushia for. Say, so who ye for? You're going to create enemies for yourself. It's rather no me, Nanka, me futu and can be mom say, look at Avenue, Musha Kwaya and come to make creating more jobs. My pija, my fan, Kolani Bebre, so Abegum. Na mo te say ideas bi ani bebia it no je say yem pam we mu ne mfa we mu embeshim eno and $10,000 ho asemi akoba indra you say $10,000
that is not your language.
We are former ambassador with Excellency.
$10,000 in reference to who?
Your Excellency.
Or what? But
Yen na your husband, me say me ohana me hu video.
Yeah.
Na Sami Jemfi, Gold Board CEO.
Okay, so if you want to talk about the Sami Jemfi issue, what? Maybe let's situate it this way. Only panel G or say $800.
I don't ye dey ni. I don't ye hu sika ye.
Na wo.
Me hu video no.
Na wo.
Me hu. Odika 2 videos na out. First video, I can say, hey, Sami Jemfi want me $10,000. So I want me 10. I have that video. That's the first video. And now, who said backlash na bank of food did attempt near there after 2 days? And about to say, scan cry $800. But Sika, say, Otike ni ma or Kenkaino. Say, ja, obi a my deputy foreign minister da, my ambassador there. Mami kasa. Obi a my deputy. Oh, Mami kasa. Obi a my deputy foreign minister da. My ambassador da.
Yeah.
Sir, me hieska. Me here. Me for me new cry.
Because
video now. Okay, initial $2,000 na
How do you tell me that?
No, okay, chip. Okay,
is it 2,000?
$100 note.
Sorry.
It's okay,
Ambassador.
Okay, oh, me chantro. Okay,
you cannot be emphatic on the figure.
Like a full soldier.
But these are former ambassadors.
Speaking like a full soldier.
Former ambassador.
Sami cannot see 1, 2.
That's how Obi can out me follow no. They can one.
Ambassador.
All kind. Me na me can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No kind.
So what do you want? What is the effect?
Na me can say. Oh yeah. All this about $2,000 ma agrada.
The figure that we are.
And agradas now you can fankanika when us shimming kind no. Us the can. It's always say dollars. Na adia eye timimufo kra yan say bebre wo ho a no mu bedimpo o ma di NDC echi o ma follow NDC nti o ma bomba ya pipe o meni so o de o mo kra kom o ma yejuma ma NDC obi atop ope 100 Ghana cedis no da kofa ekutuo ope 500 Ghana cedis no da kofa inkusua anua atom omunya sa support TB na obi se mami sika na me fantofu I got that so pesca to full also na Lexus crap me gene so feel more than 2,000 cedis for Lexus no o feel
na wo dey so feel
oh ma hini na bibisa na se
na wo dey
o ma hini
Lexus
Agbazi.
na obiesia so na yenda bia me kroma me constituency bring bia oh ye oh mami fuel na fuel $10,000 for fuel
please stop
$10,000
No, he gave.
you are a former diplomat.
He gave money.
Stop this.
But we cannot be emphatic with the.
Stop this.
For fuel.
He gave money.
Timimufo ni here it NDC for ade sure mo pon no bia ye djuma no nka ho ye bre ye house to house ye door to door no nka ho
Ono na okohwe
ono e na wo hwe na ye wo ha ne de na wo ye na chief of staff friend na yes we twi nanim de na chese we twi nanim ko ye hu hwe we hu bibi chese we twi nanim because minimum bia ya station no policeman ya station wo Jubilee House or say ofi Jubilee House all kono or time all kono una like na utimu say why moto kakra because no slow okodi nkomo na opie no oh Sami oh yeah bibia you okay oh bibia you okay bibia you obia ye twinanim na ofi Jubilee House na ye bisas oh na Sami e cause so bibia you okay mama slow bibia you okay mama slow na ube catch na say we ye twinanim a then the church say we share bibi efi ade a oye no
so ambassador well e dey okay there
Who's that one time you?
Oh, that's what Bisama Simon me ya no.
I say time.
Oh, time ni we beja ha ina ma.
Agbasi. Now one power person can say the opposition.
Beja ha ina ma.
Oh, power. Person can say the opposition.
In conclusion, in conclusion, I think say e be issue hunu ama ina, young politicians any idea. Emide say onu ehu ne mfom so no quickly no o issue statement say ade ameye no manye niye because it says can why den asitani why den o man why den it say ye be kind dollars US dollars ade am obi so for fuel no e de manye niye and into no monfa encheme well he's a young man, he's a young politician and all that yen net me yan from so any idea because the full on crowd to make cancer
in South Africa witness CBC say aban paying more coach adam ya twena so na
South Africa oba resign one time South Africa also ayo oba ho one time you resign one time oba resign in South Africa but once I ja aha no warning say Indra so mo shining star sana honorable Adongo okay I say Sami Jemfini NDC shining star into no yenti ye uniform sir
oh yeah a shining star one can say NDC star
oh no a shining star in MPP
in Ghana.
Oh,
as a young person.
He's a shining star in the NDC.
No doubt about it. But in Ghana,
yeah, party in the who is a shining star. Now it will be sa akoba.
No,
yeah, fanchano. Honestly, some yeah.
How many? Or say, ambassador say, Samia ja NDC for Oma Agradaska. Yes, sir. So can Bible fire.
Now when you over me for Samia Samabetu.
So can Bible.
Monsieur Ankasa menkenkan
say a ma
or mamu in stretching or jail.
And maybe or why I was gonna have a say my gift. And maybe also. Me see. And maybe also.
Nipana pacho. This was a coffin. Nipana charge and pacho.
What bonnet say? Ye baba you are also a pacho.
I say Nipana pacho.
Sami je intimate generosity wo ye oba politics obi ani
nipa na pacho
wo say ya twina so eyesa na okan item so abon na tie be yi na no achopa no enya we enka we nu
ohun ye
wonu
the following day achopa MPP ni ben ya asema tu no be pacho pen including him. You see, when you live in a glass house, and two boys die, and I walk back and there's also been back. I catch almost all moye.
I walk up and
I want it. And then you see, the fear something there until
me I walk up
there.
I walk up on your madam.
Who catch you okay?
I walk up and
and do me just wait. You hear me?
Me tia some person kan.
I say catch up no. Say MPP ni. To me swap $50,000 they are too about.
I know about upon yes sir.
But sir, he didn't substantiate, so it's no.
He's a classmate.
No.
Oh, he belongs to that class.
Don't fall for that thing.
I will easily fall for it.
Debbie,
yeah, that President Mama say.
Complete. Maybe a hundred.
But who say? Enya Bema. Anu I did oh yeah.
Mama draw my viewers not attention. More fun channel. Okay, say anum no ho. But some just say no worry when you crew with me in Jokan. Anum no ho. Yes, I will. Wonu ne ho.
Onu no.
Menena na ntia ku ponchu drum sa tronjia ka the anum ne ho. So no chem ne kasa o se bojiri
say do ye no. Na ebia na wan sheda. We move on.
We have to.
The most important thing to me Ajuma Obo a good board. Ajuma Obo. We need to keep on praising him. Not to celebrate an actor. Why I won't say they be any.
Okay, beyond Samijevi, what do you tell the young
NDC4
politicians now? Onyame Adom, Omonya favor or His Excellency ma. Or do you want to emiam bia? So sensitive and what do you tell them?
There be chief of staff. I catch almost say the code of the
ethics.
and your mudi Bible. Just go along with it. For ejuma. Omani assume you maybe me machines less natural. It is a me will be now be Sammy and so echiri. What I say? Me ko jina hon yi ma. Opa di maternal ko ba chire no de me ya ma no, me ya ma. Enye nyame adum momo ho. Em da fa to ma.
Let me send momo.
Obi an kon fast ask say oh wa ma me say
but one say dollars don't mean send momo dollars.
There be me see that is where you are not getting it. Ghana you need dollars.
It says no the dollars. Momo now cannot mean send momo in dollars.
See. Onu na o man na ka say e bi mu puta dollar o mu fia ati na mu ye die.
Ba omo ba dollar there you never go wrong with the dollar. Dollar you never go wrong.
If you see the signal under this administration,
you are
kakra.
Oh,
dollar no fa pientem.
Yete ha.
Amani, former ambassador. He tunufo. Kakra with them. Over pientem. Yes, I remember be do now. Because we call bank direct TV yaba. We call bank. I could sign it say we $1. Yeah, farm.
It will be in equivalent.
Equivalent in 10 times.
Unless utucoin. Utucoin so show. South Africa.
Exactly.
South Africa.
Why should I go to the bank and cash
foreign
dollars?
What do passport?
What do ticket? So I'm sorry.
No, what do ticket?
So it should be in
practice. Me as ambassador.
Yes.
Me ko yisika. Ade akọ baby a.
Yeah.
Esa me de me ticket, me passport, and send your mommy any other currency apart from the rand.
That's it.
Without the ticket, without the passport, yeah, wow, sika no.
Honorable, I mean, where you mean direct ambassador, honorable. She omahini. Se wo ko kra akukọ na ya uta kra no. Usia dollar no ko.
So
what you find?
You pay banking system.
Thank you. So why do you need $1 in your home? I think that someone called bank so go sign in $1. Who you the idea? There be who $1 and they 2 idea. Display. Cash. So who 2 coin? So na wokan no. And now who kran nyoma. Bank this one
do and then ko. The rate na
they pay. It's an interbank transaction.
Interbank.
To be on better no.
It's $1 account we have there, Master. And that John Dramani Mahama administration with there. Forget it. Either you close it or you keep your CD account. Case closed. Because I see no reason why I should go to bank, sign a check,
pick dollars.
For what?
Indeed dollar. So we should discourage it.
Immediately. Uncle Kranyoman, let the bank facilitate it. Case closed. There will not be pressure on the dollar again.
Yeah, I agree.
So also ton down.
So say $1
dollar.
It is the bank.
You can't even quote. You don't even have to quote it in dollars.
Yeah.
So quote
it in
dollars.
It's against the law. Yeah, at the end of the day, the effect what you know. Your car is I'm also can't say I'm working. Dollar ever from no. Maybe I agree with them. Say immediately no. Reduction into me basa. Because wait or you can turn your man no. How do you clean that the so no? At least maybe just say bem kakra. But the risk they say ungusu kutasan your man dollar no you can't predict it.
And the sustainability.
The sustainability.
Oh, am I also know you are no?
Let me explain. Say and then I predict
gains the sustainability no.
What do you predict?
Say then I 12. Say then I 12. E china so you pay go hit 8 ah. Why they would check right here. Wa kuko no. Na say wunam no so no boy I do. I hope me
some birthday dedications. We tend to also be brave. Happy birthday to my godmother, Prophetess Dr. Mercy Ekuya Kofi.
Oh, me born in. Only papa the same day.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, Mercy.
Mesuka Church International. Oh, she's a Pan-Africanist and a philanthropist.
Yeah.
So you are being celebrated today, 15th May. Your church members wish you well in all your endeavors. May the good Lord grant you good health and lots of blessings as the day go by. From your son, Kofi Atakakra Kusi, Deputy Director, Ghana Tourism Authority. And Odewe Abba. Oh, beautiful woman.
Yeah, beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
Beautiful woman.
At her age.
51.
Yeah.
I see. Prophetess, Dr. Mercy Kofi.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
The same, ni papa so on one papa biological father, Michael Kofi Yesu Muchu.
Oh, okay.
Relative? No, on a dim late father, direct one father, one mother. This is not any papa. Kofi Yesu.
Oh, wow.
Kofi Yesu at the age of 79, Obekasa after 62 born.
Wow.
Yes. Very lively. Yes, Kofi Yesu. And I'm Messi. I wish them a blessed happy birthday.
Okay, so we are do birthday, be happy birthday. Now, Miss Ankasa, compare Malta Guinness, a chair, quite not to honor pay you. I hear my cry, you are still good to go. I shall suggest a farm only proudly made in Ghana. Energy and revitalizing yourself. Malta Guinness. We move. Sheneso. Ambassador, former to South Africa, former Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister, Member of Parliament for Ibrahim on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party.
Or can be say Ambassador Honorable can be say my flyovers bridge baby omudia.
No ko tamala be.
Oh, David tamal measure to and then you. O si baby.
Na even obechebi
lamte. Yeah, I say we be buy am my can say Honorable Papepe. Obechebi we on Saturday. We na we na 64% na go to aso. Ka de we ye tamal measure to o my tamal. Me yes can can one single flyover.
Kotakwa de no musu ye no.
Me say kan o si takwadi.
Ye. Takwadi de asa say ye.
Me say kan o si takwadi.
Kuma se de no.
Me say before you want me you before start here akufo be me mami baaku e won kan kom ha in cry mami baaku
na say aboso kan de hu say
and here obi chebi na okan
tesi ni eye wo tesi
de tesi hu e beach road
tesi beach road
mo wie
na say wade wo
tesi beach road
ye wo papa bi aye frenu aye biafu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama do second Dubai che onu wa ye aja mo bi ma betua so o complete ye aye fa so mami ba ku bi akufo do start here wo wie
tamale
first phase on we second phase
na be die na o cap o person
you can't complete that. It's an adjective. Complete is complete.
Tema motorway roundabout. Tema roundabout. Kufo. Tema roundabout. Kufo. Second one.
Debi. Eye Mahama. May so rest in peace. Asuma Banda, who cut the song for that construction work.
Mahama.
Akufo do catch again. Musumo betness limit what the man because I will argue with you.
Mahama.
Tema
roundabout. Second tier, third tier. Akufo Adom.
Even 50 years ago. Doctor of someone was the board chairman for Makoa.
Bakwa ya ufiri president fie. Ufi president fie. Eko join East Lagona. Ufi president fie.
How do know?
Eko East Lagona.
Oh, it's new in town. That job started under John Dramani.
That flyover, and that's
I want to credit John Dramani Mahama. That's my problem. Credit John Dramani Mahama is excellent. If you don't credit him, don't talk about it. That's my problem.
Flower pot flyover.
Why you be paying? Flower credit no. Flower doesn't deserve that credit.
Yes,
flower pot flyover.
Flower pot flyover. One eh. On façon.
I crane that's all.
That crane that.
That's it.
Second from how many buy? It is Lego. Crane that's all. Yellow. Missy crane that's all. Missy one. It's under construction.
Under them construction.
Second to buy crane that's all. Second to buy crane that's all. Second to buy crane that's all. Second to buy crane that's all.
Very crane. Yeah.
Missy flower pot flower.
Crane that's all. Yeah, work under construction. Notice, it's not completed.
Government.
Government Agboja na Juma to complete.
Agboja entia contract biaka.
City fly over Ghana MPP ayo kuma.
Me see city.
No, city. You mention it. Started and completed.
Me see.
No, you tell me
fly over. Flower pot, fly over.
Flower pot. That project started under John Dramani Mahama in 2016.
It's not true.
Go and check. The member of parliament. Go and check. 2016. Capo be a deputy governor. Sorry, deputy minister for roads. Anthony Capo. No, the first inspection. Only the minister. The whole of go fire. Not pillars do gusu. Sana pillar. Atomic Junction. Kufuor buy no, you know we na time be complete here. That pillar no gusu. Not the now. The same thing apply to the flower pot there so. John Dramani Mahama is excellent. And the status happen in 2016. Go and find out. Go. Committee men of parliament. Committee men of parliament. Find out.
Anya no cry.
Agwasi.
Aya na mete.
Akufuor be ayefuku.
Anya she.
You understand me? Let us call a spade a spade.
Oh, anya she. Before now, enjoy.
Agbasi.
Anyone Akufa do home for so.
Meet you.
Na so nim Kumasi pa.
Me can't go to Kumasi.
Now that we join free Kumasi.
Me journey here. Kumasi will try to go to President Kufuor.
Na President Kufuor no yen pipi ni.
Me see Akufa do.
President Kufuor no yen pipi.
Me see Akufa do.
Nyama o kan dey be kwapo Jerry Rollins ne Atamils special. Nyama o take credit no.
Yes.
Jerry Rollins. Any Atamils.
No,
Kufuor President Kufuor she bibia say Kufuor do be here.
Any say me pipi. Ka dey Osman say Kufuor here. Bridge ban why.
Me see Timma Mufo ne say electricity bill, water bill na matu.
President Kufuor's project.
Any ne kan ho asem.
All President Kufuor project are equivalent to the PSHS half big. We can say they in Hebrea. Now see, oh, yeah, but to look at school. No, but the is over there for 2 months. They all have big.
What are you doing about it, your government?
That's right. That's the review we are talking about.
The review. How many years they say take?
It took you 8 years not to do anything about it. And it will take us 6 months to do something about it.
And reference 8 years. Then can be.
You to tell me, help me, tell me. Me say all his infrastructure projects is equivalent to his free SHS policy. They all have big.
Free SHS they have big.
Yes.
What the data on the performance of free SHS?
It's not about data. How relevant? University.
And Afajato in Kualani Nyasa school no faso.
The university
professor.
The university professor. Almost education. Oh, free education. Professor Sukai.
Free education.
No.
Free education.
Oh, somebody free.
Free education.
So they believe in it.
Free education.
Legal professors want to do
the legal professors
almost say in Kwano Bano. They have to rewrite exam.
It's a lie.
Oh, but
it's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a lie. In Korea, be soon a first class. Omunya scholarship to
Materials.
In Korea, be first class. Omunya scholarship to
a war, a
me. In Korea, I go to free education. Me don't make Cuba.
Then I can because materials. SHS
Memphis Methodist very good. One of the best girls school in Ghana.
Okay, meet you.
Also,
Ajubero.
Also, Tenasi Bia, also see the new modern bono, a kama. Go de a dance here, a dance here, bit me so a cassage, Bedebia, and so, and I know so. Eh, the engineer jet with your friend data. Oko chef. If free bra SHS no free no share say man na homre so na ko hwe mofra modern bo a e kire say modern bo no e ni so it doesn't make the project
perfect
100% perfect.
I like your last point. It does not make the project 100%.
But it doesn't make
grading them, they are below 40%. How can you say that? Because the university professors are saying that they have to rewrite exam.
They have to then rewrite.
Oh, you can't do. And you know what you have to say.
How far was your day? But we have one mass.
So your challenge is that the product is about, even though
I say it's half big.
And you know,
How big?
Bebre enya so far so.
How big?
Ako investigate nya
No,
scholarship from one
no,
definitely.
Yes, wrap up.
Some will surely
me wrap up no. Yes in there.
But you wrap up. Yes in there. Yes in there. Idea we hear my President Mahama. That kind of patriotism we exhibit here no. You need to be praised.
Then I'm President Mahama.
No, you went and lobby, and the DC was confirmed. 100%.
Oh yeah. Me President Mahama, I'm sure.
No, but he nominated.
But I didn't do that because of President Mahama.
Your patriotism.
Ah, okay.
I was BT, no.
But yeah, because of President Mahama.
No, but you thought of Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana.
But Ghana is under the leadership of John Dramani.
Oh, but I'm DM Batame.
Who should say?
Former ambassador endorsed.
But he really endorsed. But the point is, you endorse the nominee. You endorse the nominee. No, he endorsed the nominee. The nominee was nominated by President Mahama.
And Chief Justice case yes and can be per se nanka ye pre if you say okay election petition no nanka ye life but Ghana for na kas bibi say nanka ye ne obi anhwe say mate say enye life e member no kukum ba ye per se ye na ye hwebi ye na ye tie bi nti no me use o platform yi aka che o man penyin so ni Ghana ye say o wa boche akwasha boche wa ba okay because vice o man penyin the vice so
on a serious note, the law is the law.